Gold and silver has seen a very good drop. 1952 levels and 2430, as we discussed in our analysis yesterday, achieved and bounced back. Now both are on a path of recovery. Can we expect a bullish move today, and can we buy, or is it again going to drop? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver today, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Also, you can get the market updates by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First we look into gold, followed with silver, to watch till the end. Look at the hourly charts for gold. It was divergent from the 20 period moving average. It has converged here till here. Now I'll wait for it to break past 1965 and then 1970. If these two levels are taken, we can see a very good bullish move, but only reversal confirmation today in gold. If it trades above 1980-86 levels, then only we can say that gold has reversed. Else it has all the probability that it can resume its downtrend again. So right now, if you look at trying to trade in this bullish channel, if you see it trading above 1965-66, you can buy for 1970, 1978, 80 zone, and if it trades above 80, more bullishness can be confirmed. That is the first part. We have got our buying entries. Stochastic looking up. Now see on the hourly chart, the MACD, which was trading extremely bearish, this is the third cycle which it is started on MACD. This is the third sine wave. It is crossed over here, trying to trade bullish, trying to look upwards. RSI, which was trading out oversold, it has come out of it also. And if you look at 2-hour chart, now see on the 2-hour charts, first of all, one massive bullish reversal candle, and there is all the probability that it can try to give second or third bullish candle from here. Now what it is trying to do, we have seen 20 period moving average getting approached there on the 1-hour chart. Now for 2-hour chart, it is 1970. Thus it has become a good resistance, and potentially it can try to hit those levels. Now even if you look at the channels there, see the sharp drop, then it is traded in this channel, then drop, it is trying to recover here. And see this, if you look at this, the upside of this channel is at around 1970 levels, 1975 levels. So be careful till 1980. Stochastic rising. MACD is also trying to cross over on the 2-hour chart. This is a bullish cross, and remember this is happening at a little lower levels. Now if you look at plus 10, plus 12 levels here and minus 10 levels here, almost hitting the bottom, now trying to recover a bit. RSI, which was trading oversold, is also trying to come out of the oversold zone here. Now look at 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, this is the first candle, and there is a probability that it can give second green candle also and head to 1970, 75, in fact 80 levels. Till 80, we will not consider this as a reversal. This is still a retracement. Look at this channel. The highs of this channel are at 1970, 75 zone, which is a very, very good resistance. So one thing is very clear for the day. 1980 is the level beyond which only little more bullishness, and then 1990 you should wait for. Beyond that only you can consider this for a reversal. Till that time, this is just a retracement, and a possible retracement can be seen. If it stays above 1965, you can put a $5 trailing stop loss and keep booking profits at every $5 and re-enter if you see it sustaining those levels. Else we have to be watchful. Stochastic on the 3-hour charts is also trying to rise. It is looking upwards. And if you look at MACD, see the MACD here has in fact gone below minus 10, trying to converge here, and see this is a sharp drop here. Possibility of it to recover exists from here. RSI was trading oversold, trying to recover here. And if you look at 4-hour, now see on the 4-hour charts, higher lows, higher highs, and the support there till 1954 level exists. Hence, if you see gold trading below 1954, you can sell. Expect 1950 as a major support. 1950-47 zone is something I will watch out for. If and only if gold breaks 1950-47 today, you can say that it is going to hit 1935, and in fact it can trade below levels also. Hence a selling entry at 1954 is confirmed for the day. But then you have to be watchful of 1947-50 zone. That is the level it needs to break past by in order to confirm the bearish trend. Stochastic is seen rising, looking upwards. You can see third cycle here. Possibly it can try to hit this zone. MACD here also is trying to converge crossover for a buy entry. It has not yet crossed over. It is still bearish, but a reversal can be expected. RSI trading extremely oversold and hence a little recovery cannot be denied. Now look at the daily charts. Now see on the daily charts, first of all look at the behavior of gold since here to here. You can find, see the moving average is divergent and the prices diverge from the moving average, and then we have seen it converging below 100 period moving average. Now this is a similar phenomena here. Moving averages were divergent here, price was also divergent here, now it has converged. Now also look closely, see the 20 and 50 period moving average have started to converge. 100 period moving average is now at 1940, which could be the next support if it stays below 1947 level. 1940 levels are the next targets. Now below that a further drop can be seen there. Now also look at the candlestick charts alone. See, first of all it traded outside Bollinger Bands yesterday, and that is why we can see it getting the support and getting a pullback. Now look at super trend, it is also still on the buy side. Also if you look at higher lows are seen, higher lows, lower highs, which means 1980, 1985 levels. See, till 1990 I will say you have to put a trailing stop loss of $5 if you are buying at 1965 levels. Hence, yes, a potential retracement can be expected there, which might take it. See, this is a long trading session for the day, and in the after, you can say once the US cash session starts, there is also Fed Chair Powell's speech there, which will definitely bring volatility. Either which ways it can turn the table. Hence, we have to strictly stick to the trailing stop loss. Remember, the bullishness is confirmed if it breaks past 1980-1990 zone, then you can confirm that it is bullish, else potential of a drop exists there. Now see on the daily charts, stochastic is extremely oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish, it can potentially converge. The RSI is also almost at bottom, but it has still got some scope for it to drop. Hence a buy at 1965 and a sell at 1954 levels. But remember, on the upside 1970, 75, 80, 85, 90 till 90 we have got very good resistance. You can just see, I am not keeping $1-2 move here because see 1982 levels, 1976 levels, but yes, you can just in general keep a $5 trailing stop loss and keep booking the profits there. On the downside, a sell entry below 1954, however the resistance zone at 1950-47 it needs to breach. Below that certainly more bearishness is going to be. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 22nd batch starts on 1st of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of our signals channel where trading as per the signals, you can definitely profit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the description. Now, one more point before we proceed. I don't run any investment scheme. Anyone who is messaging you, texting you on various social media handles, confirming as my name, taking my identity, displaying my photo, please report him immediately. Please block the person. I do not run any investment scheme and I do not approach anyone for any of my offerings. It is all your love and support that we mutually take the discussion together once you approaches me, and hence please do not get trapped from anyone offering you a lucrative return. Please report the person. Now let's start with the silver. Now see, silver here on the hourly charts has seen a massive bullish candle, single candle. It is trying to you can say trying to retrace a little on the downside after the good bullish candle. Now if you look at the charts here, see silver on the hourly charts, you can still see the spikes there, you can still see the downside there. It is trading in this bearish channel, and hence once again only and only if silver tries to trade about 2380 levels, that is the level beyond which silver should be confirmed as bullish. Else till the time it stays below 2380, potential for it to drop exists, but beyond 2380 we can definitely expect 2420 levels, and then a massive reversal cannot be denied in fact till 2450 levels. Now where to buy? I will recommend you to buy at 2370 levels. Now buying at 2370, you can expect at least 2380 will be there, and in fact if it trades about 2380, $24 levels cannot be denied there. Now that is the first part, of buying entry at 2370. Now look closely here on the charts, you will find, see 2350 2355 levels was a good resistance zone, 2340 was a good support zone. So any sell entry is only recommended if you see silver trading below 2340 levels for sure. Below 2340 we can expect this time silver might give a very good drop. First target 2330 and below that you can stay short for $23 levels. In fact 2280 cannot be denied if it stays below 2320. See, till 2320 10 cents and below that a massive drop will be seen till 2280. So be careful of that. If it drops below 2320, definitely we are going to look forward to further massive drop there. Stochastic is seen rising here. The MACD has also crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. RSI comfortable but trying to drop. Now look at 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, you can see this higher highs, higher lows. Support there on the downside till 2340, resistance till 2370, breaking past the 2380, and beyond that, sky is the limit for $24 levels. Now, if you look at the stochastic, this has come to overbought zone in the 2-hour charts. The MACD, on the other hand, has also crossed over. It is trading with little divergence, trading bullish. RSI has dropped a bit. And if you look at 3-hour, on the 3-hour charts, it has confirmed or converged till towards the 20 period simple and exponential moving average, now sitting at 2370. Now you can look at it, can try to bridge the gap completely till here if it stays above 2370 levels, and then see the moving averages which are divergent here, we can try to converge a bit. And also remember, if it trades above 24, there is a good landscape for it to cover on the upside. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD is trying to diverge a little. It is still not crossed over. That is the most important part. Silver is still staying green on MACD. RSI trying to look up, trying to trade bullish. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at 4-hour charts here. See, first of all, lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. It has to come out of 2380 zone in order to confirm the reversal there, and then 2420. Every 20 cents there is a little resistance for silver there. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD is still in green. See, it has not yet crossed over. It is still trading with the bullish bias. RSI trying to come out of the oversold zone. It has succeeded in it. Now look at the daily charts. Now if you look at daily charts, see, first of all, lower highs here, higher lows here, and this is also phase of consolidation. A breakout beyond 2380 is the only confirmation where you can consider it as turning bullish. So yes, you can buy at 2370, expect it to rise. At the same time, dropping below 2340, rather I say 2338 levels. Below that you can expect 2330 and then 2320. If it drops below this too, see, if it drops below 2320 today, you can expect there should be a massive candle which might in fact take it till towards 2280 and below levels. Now see, stochastic was trading oversold for silver. It is trying to come out of this. The MACD is so far bearish, trying to converge. RSI at bottom. Considering this, in between 2340 and 2370, I will not recommend you any trade. And specifically the move about 2480, 2380 and 23 and a move below 2330 is something where you can confirm the bullish and bearish trend. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Remember, the day is long. You can see swings and hence you have to trade with caution. You have to strictly stick to the trailing stop losses. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.